to clean a PS4, a step-by-step guide. Are you a PS4 fan and ambitious about your game? Then make sure to keep it in the best condition. For this purpose, make it your habit to clean your PS4 console after every few good days, as a dust-clad console would make a loud noise distracting you from your game. The main challenge when cleaning a PS4 is that it requires partial disassembly of the console, and the delicate nature of the internal components makes it a difficult task. However, we have made a step-by-step guideline for you that will help you clean your PS4 without damaging it. Here's what you'll need: microfiber cloth, compressed air, T8 or T9 screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a cotton swab. First of all, make sure your PS4 is switched off and all cables are disconnected from the console's body. Next, you have to clean the outside of your PS4. For this, take the can of compressed air and spray it in each of the ports. Keep the can upright to avoid moisture from reaching into the console. Now run a dry microfiber cloth along the surfaces of your PS4 to clean the dust. Next comes the difficult part to cleaning the internals. Make sure you have light to see what you're doing. Remove the warranty stickers if you're cleaning it for the first time. Now remove the base of the console by pulling the corners away. This might take a while, but don't force it. Now, using a microfiber cloth, wipe the dust from its inside. Place your finger on the center of the fan and spray a couple of short bursts from the compressed air into the fan, keeping it in place or it may damage the hardware. Remove the power supply to fully access the internal and lift it out safely, making sure the power cable isn't disconnected. Since the inside of the fan will be visible, use compressed air to remove the dust. Now, leave the console to dry for about an hour. Now your PS4 should work properly without making any noise.